Hello and good day traders. This is a pair Aussie dollar and Swiss franc. Each week I give some insight, but this week I am very much pessimistic about this pair after watching this monthly time frame, because if you see that in November it doesn't have that much traction on being bullish or bearish, and this month it is nowhere. It opened, it is almost 11 days and it is in the same place at the same time. Same place till for the last 11 days in this time frame. So let's analyze if we can find something here. We have a double top here in monthly time frame. If you can see very clearly that this pair doesn't move that much for a long time, but if we see here, this is a double top area, this green red, and now we have a double bottom here also. If we consider this red, green, and even if we consider this red and green, so it's a very big zone. Even then, if we want to draw it properly, let's draw so we can understand where we are heading at least during the analysis. And this is the thing. So if we measure the range here, the range is 1700 plus pips, and the half is somewhere here, and for a long time it is being very much bearish for almost for 2 years, April, almost 18-20 months, more than 20 months it's bearish, and for the last 5 months you can see the price is not moving at all, being bearish or bullish. However, that is the take we can have at the moment from the monthly time frame. Now if we move to weekly, we can see here even that it made a very good double bottom in weekly here, if we consider, and this is there is no double top here. Why? Because we have to go to lower time frame to find what caused this price to stop here and still resisting the price for last 2 weeks. The price couldn't break on the upside, and it is again coming to the downside, and it is if we mark it in, then we can mark it very clearly here that this thing is not moving anywhere. Rather, it is for the last 2 months it is have a range in these two, between these two lines. So if we mark these 241 pips in for the last 2 months, it is ranging. So this is the thing which is not that much earning potential we have, and less volatile. Main factor that Aussie dollar, the Bank of Australia has a higher interest rate in compared to Swiss bank, and that's even then it is not having any traction on the upside. It is not getting bullish, rather it is getting bearish. If we draw a line very clearly, we can see it is getting bearish all the time for a very long time. From here, if we draw the line, it is always trying to be within this, below this line. It tried to break, it came back, it tried to break, and again it is coming back. So if we see there is no double top in the weekly, but we have a monthly double bottom here. So let's go to daily time frame, and here we can see we have a double top in daily time frame here, and this caused the price went down coming to this place, to this area. So let's draw the double top here in daily time frame and mark it. So this is the double top, and let us take it to the only available in weekly. So this is the reason the double top happened here, and it came down again. You can see that there is a double bottom here. It caused again in daytime. Also in monthly we have double bottom. What we have seen in the monthly, that there is a double bottom here already caused. If we draw it properly, it would be something like this. Yes. So moving back to daily, this is the reason it created the double bottom. Now in monthly as well as daily, can you guys see it is also in daily, but it is all the time the range is getting narrow, and this is the biggest thing we have to consider at the moment, because when the range gets narrow, it has the potential to break out either being bearish or bullish, and that is the major thing we need to see, that what is the chances or probability where we can see things of breakout. Now if we see here in this range, you can see also that within this range, after making the double bottom here in this area, it has already reached 50% and it got rejected. So my solution is simple, is that I will not take any trade here at the moment, because it is not going to, the risk and reward ratio is not that much here. Rather I will rather consider to go with the weekly. If the price breaks out below this line, then I will take short, and if the price break out of this line, then I will take a long. So my suggestion is to wait and see if the price breaks, retest here and breaks on the upside, and once it does so, we can go long here. On the flip side, I will suggest that to wait and see if this is broken, and then we will have a going short here. And recently the upside traction of this has come due to change in fundamental about that the relation between Australia and China is getting better a little bit after a long time, and that is the reason it survived to this situation for the last 2-3 months. Otherwise there is no way it could have been achieved this level, even because internally the Australian output is getting, the economy is shrinking at the moment, until otherwise China starts importing huge raw material from Australia, because China is a major trade partner of Australia. So we have to see things in that perspective. Apart from that, if we go for short, we need to consider that it will cost us money even the price doesn't move, due to the interest difference between the Aussie dollar and Swiss franc. So I will suggest not to go for short, because the extra leverage we get from our broker, they are going to charge for the extra money with the interest difference of Australian dollar and Swiss franc. So please trade and you do your own analysis, but at the moment I don't see any trade. In my opinion, it has achieved 50%. So even if I go short now, the leverage is very minimum, 86 pips, which I don't prefer for on a weekly analysis to consider as a good trade to take. So take care, be careful when you do the trading, and for my satisfaction, let's go to 4 hours. Even you can see it is ranging for a very long time within this range in 4 hours. If we just enlarge it, and if we enlarge it a little more, I can show you something. So this is the range it is ranging for this time, and I don't think there is any trade here at the moment. It is lying in, either it will go here, maybe it will come back again. So this range I don't want to trade. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, have a nice day.